Hey everybody, it's Matt, and I want to share with you a hack for using Jamboard to create your own background. So if you're a Jamboard user, you probably know that right up here you can set a different background. And there's all sorts of different ones you can choose from solid colored to line papers to even graph paper, right? But how do you create your own backgrounds and upload them? Well, there's this button right here where you can upload your own image. Here's a little hack for you if you wanted to create, say, a Venn diagram or some other type of graphic organizer, okay? You would simply go into Google Drawings and you can draw it. So right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Google Drawings and I'm going to change the background. So I'm going to make my background more of like a gold, okay? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a circle. So as you can see, a circle right here. I'm going to change the how thick it is, okay? So I'm going to do like an 8-point thickness on my line right here. And then what I'll also do here is I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it right here. Okay. Now, a little trick for you. You can just highlight, or you can select all on your device. And I'm just going to use my my arrows on my keyboard just to sort of move it around a little bit, make sure that it's lining up right here with the ruler. Okay, now how do you get this to appear? Well, what you can do is you can select one of your objects and change the color. So I'm going to change this color maybe to, let's do this shade of red. That's actually pretty nice. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right down here to custom. And when I go to custom, I'm going to just change this so it's a little transparent and hit OK. Look at that. Nice. So you've created your own Venn diagram, right? So now the next step is to download this. Okay, so I can go ahead and download it as a JPEG or a PNG. I'm going to do it as a JPEG. And then I'm going to go right into my Jamboard right here. I'm going to set the background and I'm going to set this as an image. Drag that in there. All right, boom, there it goes. Now, as you can see right here, like the margins, there's still a little bit of a margin. So if you don't like that, what you can do is you can actually stretch out your Jamboard a little bit. Or you're not your Jamboard, but you're drawing a little bit. And once again, I'm using the arrows to sort of navigate right here. And so this is sort of like an 8.5 by 11 type of, well, little shorter than that. It's like a 5 by 11. I'm going to go here and I'm just going to download this again as a JPEG. I'm going to go in, I'm going to set my background again. Check out the difference once I widen that out. Check that out. Looks a lot better. So if you want to create some type of template on Jamboard using Google Drawings, just stretch it out. I would suggest maybe 11 inches or so on the ruler. Now, the cool thing is that you can have students go through and they can write, they can draw, they can put Post-it notes. When you hit clear frame, it clears everything off, but it leaves the background. Whereas if you simply did this and you just uploaded your picture, okay, so here we go. I'm uploading my picture and you could use this. This is how you used to be able to use Jamboard. Okay, so I'm putting this right here. Watch what happens when a clear frame gets rid of it. So that's why you would want to use a background. So hopefully that helps you creating all sorts of different graphic organizers. Check out more on my blog at bergman-udl.blogspot.com for more ideas.